got cables there. This is what we call router, and I've got the adapter to connect to router in order for the supply of network. I've got here a laptop. I've got here cables which connect from the router to the server or the system where the internet is coming from. We have got what we call the RJ45. Sorry. This is what we are calling the RJ45. We have got the sellotape here and what we call the clips. So in order for you to connect Wi-Fi or to install, you must have some of the apparatus. I've got what we call the internet cable, which include the cables it's which are for 6 cut, whereby is one way you mount it. Here, these are what we call the internet wires. So these are the threads that they supply the internet from the switch to the router. Then from the router, you have to connect it to your computer. So after mounting that, this is now what we call the cable. You connect it from the. This is now what we are calling the computer, the laptop. Connect it to your router. You make sure this one it's on. I've already picked the source of power. So in our router, we have got what you call the Wi-Fi and the system. So we have got the portals 1, 2, and 3. And we have got the 1. So this is the first hole or the first internet portal. It's where now the supply of internet occurs from the switch. So after that, so now you will have to configure it, or first you have to reset your router, and this is the hole that you have to reset it by using a pin. System of what we call networking. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel there. Just like, comment, and share it, and God will bless you. Thanks.